What is going on, guys? My name is Cesar. I'm here to help you, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to become a super affiliate in under 5 minutes. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, guys, because I'm going to share with you a free bonus. So let's get ready to take some notes, and the most important thing is to take action, guys. So the first thing is that you can join any affiliate network, for example Amazon. You can become an affiliate if you scroll down, if you click here, put your information, your email address, name, and your website that you're going to use to promote products from Amazon. You can make money with this affiliate network. We have also ClickBank. You can join this network and promote any product from here. For example, you have here many niches: the health and fitness, food, cook, home and garden, e-business and e-marketing, and spirituality. All of this stuff that you can promote, and you can choose a niche. So the next step is to create an opt-in page or landing page to collect leads, guys. So I'm here inside of Clickfunnels 2.0, and basically you can use this software to create an opt-in page, and also you can do here the marketing, which is really sending emails to do the follow-up, because people don't buy at the first contact, right? So let me write here the strategy so you can learn. For example, here we have your opt-in page, right? You're going to use traffic. You can use YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Here you are going to collect a lead. You can redirect those people to your offer, and this is the most important step. You need to build autoresponders that you're going to send to your leads to do the follow-up. And that is the strategy to make money with affiliate marketing, guys. So that's it. You need to build an opt-in page, you need to collect a lead, you need to do the follow-up with an email sequence, a workflow, so you can send to them your offer. And where are you going to find the traffic to your opt-in page? You can create content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. So these are the free traffic sources. And there is another option. You can use paid traffic. Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. Now let me show you guys a plan or some steps that you can use. So this is the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. It is an ebook. For example, you need to choose your niche, you need to pick the perfect product, you need to create your passive income system, and many more things that you can use and utilize this information to build your affiliate marketing business, guys. So if you want to get access, I'm going to help you guys. Click the link in the description, and I'm going to send it to you through email. And if you like this information, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and I'm here to support you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.